Hello everyone, Romancer X here, and today we are doing something different. Today I am doing an unboxing of an online Asian supermarket retailer. It's called Weee.com. Box says, let's see if I get it in the frame. It says America's largest online Asian supermarket. So I ordered this on January 25th, and then I got it yesterday, February 1st. Came in this big box. I like Asian food and snacks, but there aren't that many Asian stores next to me. So I was curious to see if this place would be good. The main thing I wanted to check on was whether the expiration dates would be good, or how far out they would be. Okay. Box. Thank you for supporting Asian-owned businesses. Let's see, a lot of. I guess we'll go like this. Okay. So I'm gonna take them out, show them off, and then look for the expiration date. Okay. So these are soft French bread. Actually, a bigger pack than I thought it looked like online. The facts. Also looking for the expiration date. Okay, there it is. So it says best before May 3rd, 2025. That's not that bad. I was afraid that they would be like a week, expire in like a week. Sweet beef jerky. This one was pretty pricey. As you can see, it's just like a little bit. But the reviews were really good on it, so. If it sucks, I just won't buy it. Again. This one says, oh wow. That's by April 8th of 2026? A whole year? A year and plus. Okay. Okay. French soft bread. And it's very similar to the other bag. I have my phone to the side to see. Yeah, I just bought 2 French bread. Soft French bread. Huh. Okay. Okay. Well, one was in. Doesn't tell me how many pieces. Okay. The drug facts. There we go. Let's focus on. Where's the expiration date? There it is. Kind of hidden on the bottom. The top, I guess. April 25th, 2025. So this one's going to expire the soonest, but it's still not too bad. Couple months. got chicken meat floss flavor rock toast. You can see the thing right there. May 30th, 2025. Here's the expiration again. That's cool. Okay. Lotte custards. These are something that I always get whenever I go to an Asian market. Always Lotte brand. Always Lotte brand. I think there's another brand. I don't remember the name, but I prefer Lotte. All these other ones I actually haven't tried. I haven't tried any of those. So I don't know if they're good. I just was curious. There's the... Okay. So it has a manufacture date and an expiration date. October 24th of 2025. So, nutrition facts. A lot of ingredients. Okay. These also. Yin-yans, always buy these. Pretty pricey. Probably was a mistake buying them. They were $2 a piece. They're good snacks though. I really like them. I liked them when I was a kid. Still like them as an adult. Let's see what the expiration dates are. October 9th, 2025. Nutrition facts. October 9th, 2025. Okay. So those in the Lotte expire later this year. And then last thing in the box. Nothing there. So I was curious how they would send this. It's actually a soda. It's kind of like a ramune. Well, it is a ramune. And if you bought a ramune before, they're like glass bottles. So I was wondering if they were just gonna have it like in the bag, or in the box, just by itself. But they like wrapped it in like really wrapped it, and it's just like one bottle, so I could try it. Alright. Hata Cola Ramune. And if you know about ramenes, they have this little ball right here at the top. And you like press it down. It doesn't have a picture of it. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's like that. Where it has a plunger. Yeah, plunger, and then it knocks a marble into it. And the marble like goes right here. And it like keeps the carbonation longer. Here's the nutrition facts. Product of Japan. Trying to find the expiration date. I actually don't see it. Yeah, I really don't see it. Like, at all. Like... If you see it, please leave a comment, because I really do not see it. Like, the bottom is just like characters. I'm not gonna say what language I am. I'm really bad at like determining that. But like, there's no numbers. Well, there's like that at 3, like 33. Like, okay. And then like the cap. Like, it's like a sequence of numbers, but it doesn't say. Like, that's just text. Maroon. Yeah, I really don't see it. Maybe it's like, I don't see it like, maybe you like right something like there. It's like smooth. Oh, is that it? Wow, it's like hard to show on the camera, but it says 11, or it says 25/11/5. So it's November 5th of 2025. Yeah, it's like really hidden in there. If it was like a different color, I'd probably be able to see it easier, but wow. That was really hard to find. But they're all, uh, so yeah. They're all not expired. Came in good condition. Pretty solid box. One cool thing is the box actually says fragile. And it didn't take too long to get here. Yeah, January 25th to February 1st. This is not sponsored, by the way, but I will have a referral code in the description if you want to try it. Everything looks in really good condition. I honestly thought they would be beaten up and then like maybe like a week to expire, but no, it's at least a few months, if not later in the year, for all of these. Get them all in the frame. Yeah. So, in case you are curious, I spent $30. $30.29. For new customers, if you use like my referral code, or if you just joined the website, your first 2 orders you get a $10 off coupon. I think you have to spend 20 minimum. I don't really remember, but yeah, it's $10 off. So all of this for 30, which is still kind of pricey. It's not like insane amount of food, but for stuff that, you know, if it's not available in your area, it's a good alternative. I have no complaints. Leave a comment if you want me to review the food. Thanks for watching.